Have you ever watched the sun disappear? And then, just for a split second, seen a flash of green? No, it's not your imagination. It's a real phenomenon. A rare optical illusion called the green flash. It happens only at the perfect moment. When the sun dips below the horizon. And Earth's atmosphere bends light just right. The blue and violet lights scatter away. But green? Green hangs on for a heartbeat longer. Blink, and you'll miss it. Some say it's lucky to see one. Others say it's magic. But science confirms. The green flash is real. And now, you've seen it too. Like, share, subscribe.